Okay, this video today is about multi-booting with ArcoLinux 6.6.1. The ArcoLinux comes with XFCE, i3 and OpenBox desktop environment. I will show a little bit about those three desktop environments, but I will make a video, a high resolution video right inside of each desktop environment. Right now I recorded with my camcorder, so showing how it looks like when you have to install ArcoLinux, how it looks like the GNU boot manager. So I recorded, I will play it now.
My last video I installed ArcoLinux, and I want to show how it looks like after you the GNU grub, how it looks like when you have 14 operating system here installed. And you can see that I have ArcoLinux, the last one that I installed, Windows, Linux Mint, MX Linux, OpenSUSE, Artix Linux, Swag Arch, Deepin, Debian. This one here is called CBOS, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and Manjaro. I'm going to boot with Windows to make sure Windows is working. So I'm going to boot to Windows. And then I will boot to ArcoLinux. I already booted to ArcoLinux. I changed a few things there, but we will have a video showing how to so after installation guide, how I set up my system with ArcoLinux. And ArcoLinux is to me is one of the top GNU/Linux distribution. I really like this distro, and I recommend this distro to anyone that wants to try a very nice Linux distro. It has the 3 desktop environment, has the XFCE, i3, and the OpenBox. So I will boot through XFCE, then OpenBox, then i3. The i3 desktop environment, you have to use, you have to learn how to use the keyboard shortcut. So I will boot to ArcoLinux now. So on i3 you have to learn the keyboard shortcut, because most of you have to use more the keyboard than the mouse. And I will have to print out the keyboard shortcut and leave on the side here. And then I will play around with it. And then I will make a video in the near future with the i3 and the OpenBox. The OpenBox is you can figure out most of the stuff, but with i3 you have to know the keyboard shortcuts in order to use the OS well. So when you boot when you are on the login screen of the ArcoLinux, ArcoLinux it should be called Arch Merge, and because the name Arch is copyrighted, they had to change it to ArcoLinux. But anyway, if you on the top here, you're gonna see icon here. You click there. Now you can see that's the XFCE desktop. I'm gonna select this option. What you just have to do is just click there, click on XFCE, then you enter your password here. I already boot to the XFCE desktop environment. I made a few changes there, installed few software there, but I have to show how to customize it a little bit. I want to move the panel to the top, this panel to the top, but maybe the plug I will move to the bottom here, have more software. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do. I just have the plug over here, so I have to see what I'm going to do. So that's the ArcoLinux. I changed the icons here, the themes here with this icon here, and I'm going to log out now. So I'm going to log out, and I'm going to select the OpenBox. So like I said, you go to the top here, and then you select OpenBox. As you can see, is OpenBox selected there. And then what you have to do here is type your password, and you're gonna boot through the OpenBox. The OpenBox is very nice. Interface here has the blank dock, the blank dock here. So it looks very nice. So you right click here. When you right click, you can open the tab now. Then you can see here you only use the use a lot of power 111. Okay, so and then you can, if if you want to use the file browser, web browser, text editor, you got all the software here installed. From the right click, you can change most of the stuff here. Okay, you can activate the Kaizen or Kaizen, I don't know how to pronounce this name. I have to see on the Google Translator to see how's the right way to pronounce this name. But anyway, this is the OpenBox, and I'm going to show if you want to install software here. You just have to do is click here on the top there, and then you can search for the software. You can see on the category here. So it's very easy to use. If you want to add the software here to the dock, you just right click, open the software. Like I'm gonna add the arc welder. I'm gonna click here. When arc welder open, I will see it on the dock here. See it in the dock here. So you right click and select keep on the dock, and that's it. This is how it looks like. It looks very nice. Now I'm gonna to exit. I'm gonna right click and go here, exit OpenBox. Then I select logout. Now I'm gonna select i3. Like I said, the i3 is, you have to know the keyboard shortcut. So this is how it looks, the i3. So you have to learn how to use the shortcut here. So there is no right click. So you have on the side here, the S is the super key. You have to press. So if I want to open the terminal, I click the super key and enter. Actually, let's see here. It's supposed to be that one. Okay, that's the terminal. Let's see if we can open software here. Okay, so you use the terminal to open the software here. Let's see. So you can quit here.
Okay, this video is 3.2 gigabyte, very big video. Now, the video is only 12 minutes, 12 or 15 minutes, and it's 3.2 gigabyte. So using simple screen recorder, the whole video is 361 megabyte. Unbelievable. So I'm using the media player from Very nice video player. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share. Se você gostou desse vídeo, por favor, inscreva-se, like e subscribe. Deixe comentários abaixo. See you in the next video.